Hiya, just want to say, I hope you like this video. This is where I went on my bike today, and I hope you like the video. If you do, please put a thumbs up, or if you don't like it, put a thumbs down, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would do me a massive favour, and if you can, please let your friends know about the YouTube channel. It'll do me a massive favour. Thank you. Ninja. Bye. Bye.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired